Hi everyone, today I share with you this very simple yam porridge recipe. It's an African delicacy called Mpotompoto in Ghana. You can have it for lunch or for dinner, but in this video I'll be using sweet potatoes instead of yam. I got this for 20 Ghana cedis, equivalent in dollar is $1.20. Let's jump right in. For our ingredients, we'll be using onion, tomato, habanero, cayenne pepper and ginger. So I cut that nicely into my blender, and to that I'll be adding half a teaspoon of aniseed. Here I've peeled the sweet potatoes nicely, cut it into pieces, and to that we will then add our blended spices, and we'll add water here, just enough to cover the potatoes, add salt to taste, cover it and leave it to boil for 20 to 25 minutes. So after 20 to 25 minutes, you can add your smoked mackerel here, but I'll be using just herring and shrimp. I've grounded it, and that's a teaspoon of shrimp and a tablespoon of herring powder. So at this point, if you don't want chunks of potatoes in your porridge, you can mash everything at this stage, but I want chunks of potatoes, so I'm just mashing it a bit. At this stage, our yam porridge it's all coming together nicely. You add your palm oil here. You can add it bit by bit if you want more than what you can see in this video, but I want it not too much. So like I said, you can have this for dinner, you can have it for lunch. Just give yourself a treat with this recipe. I tell you, you would love it. Your family members will love it, your guests will love it. And if you've watched my video to this point, please do also give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.